Welcome to the deep dive into advanced Python functions, where we turn ordinary function calls into powerful, dynamic interfaces. Mastering args and keyword arguments isn't just about syntax. It's about writing flexible, readable, and future-proof code. Today, we'll unpack the core concepts and tackle the notorious Mutable Default Argument Trap. Before we dive into the code, join our Discord community. This isn't just a place for questions. It's where you can get help and support, learn in teams, and build crucial soft skills like collaboration and communication. To become part of this powerful learning network, just click the link in the video description. Let's learn and build together. First, a quick recap on function arguments. Python functions use positional arguments, specified by order, and keyword arguments, specified by name. Default arguments let us define parameters with a fallback value, making them optional. They must be placed after any non-default required arguments in the function signature. Now the first big concept, args. The single splat operator collects any number of extra positional arguments into a tuple. This is perfect for utility functions like a custom logger or a variable sum function. Next, keyword arguments. The double splat operator collects all extra keyword arguments into a dictionary. We often use this to accept configuration settings or optional parameters like in web framework functions. Let's see this in action. Here's our keyword arguments function. We pass user equals Alex and role admin. The function receives and prints the dictionary user Alex role admin. A common and powerful inverse technique is unpacking. Using splat or double splat during the function call unpacks an existing iterable or dictionary into arguments. Now let's address the most common function pitfall for Python developers, the Mutable Default Argument Trap. If a default argument is a mutable type, like a list or a dictionary, the object is created only once when the function is defined. Subsequent calls without passing a new value will use and modify the same object. The fix is simple. Use none as the default value, then check for it inside the function and create the mutable object at call time if needed. This is the correct pattern. We've just scratched the surface. To truly master advanced Python, you need the deep dives, keyword-only arguments, the canonical argument order, and the essential technique of argument forwarding for things like decorators. If you're ready for the full advanced masterclass on this topic, the complete video link is in the description below. With these tools, you will be equipped to design Python APIs that are robust, flexible, and fully modern. Before the final summary, remember that every course includes supplementary materials, an auto-assessed quiz, a real-world coding challenge, a concise summary takeaway, and all the Python code used here as a dedicated GitHub repository. All these resources are available to you in our Discord server. To access everything and join the community, please check the link in the video description below. Let's quickly summarize our core takeaways. Remember to use args for positional collections, keyword arguments for keyword collections, and always use none to safely handle mutable default arguments. If you enjoyed this Python masterclass, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you want to learn next. Our next lesson is lambda functions and map, filter, reduce.